Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. We have already completed 2 chapters. So today we are going to start with the third chapter, that is manage files and folders, right? Manage files and folders. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So dear students, here we will start with the introduction. An operating system is a system software. When you switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded onto the computer's memory. So that part we have seen already in the third standard. When you turn on your computer, then what happens? The operating system, which is the main software, which is the root software, it gets loaded into computer's memory, right? And then your computer gets started. Now second point, see, it controls, means operating system controls all the devices that are attached to it. It also manages all the instructions given by the user. So operating system gives or it manages the instructions which we give to the computer. Which instruction we give to the computer? We tell computer to play the music. We search something on the browser, on Google, right? And it gives the result. Who does that? At the background, operating system does that. So remember this. Now, Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface, that is GUI operating system. Microsoft Windows, the operating system which we use at our computer lab, is Microsoft Windows 7. And it is a graphical user interface operating system. What does it mean by graphical user interface? We have seen that part also in third standard. GUI simply means you can see all the icons, you can see the desktop screen, and you can interact the computers with the help of mouse and keyboard. That is called as GUI operating system. Each and everything is visible, and that operating system is user friendly. All the users can operate on it very easily. So that is what the GUI operating system is. Next one, now we came here to the main point. See, files. File is a piece of information. Remember, file contains information. It might be the Paint program, okay, it might be the Paint file, it might be the Microsoft Word file, it might be any PDF file. It contains information, right? The work that you do is stored in a file. Whatever you do is stored in a file. For example, a file is a picture that you want to draw in a Paint or document that you type in a Microsoft Word. So whatever you draw in a Paint or whatever you type in Microsoft Word or Notepad is a file. It is an example of file. Understood? Right now you are watching it on what? You are watching it on PowerPoint presentation, and it is also a file. I am showing this by using a file, right? Next point is, files are stored in a memory of the computer. You store the information in your memory, in your brain. Computer store information in its memory. Okay, a file is referred to by its file name. Each and every file has a name, right? A different and relevant file name is given to each file. It helps the user to know its contents. So each and every file has a unique name. Are you getting my point? Okay. So file should have different name given to each file, right? Third point is, the file extension describes the type of file. A file name can have up to 255 characters including a period. Means what? A file name can be anything, but the name should be maximum, the name should contain maximum 255 characters, right? You can give any name, but it should be less than or equal to 255 characters. You should not exceed 255 characters. And including period means what? Each file name is separated with dot and its file extension. I'll show you the examples. The file extension can have up to 8 characters. Extension can have up to 8 characters. It should not exceed 8 characters. Now, folders. What are the folders? See students, you do your English homework or English work in English notebook, correct? Your mathematics problems are solved in mathematics notebook. You also arrange all the English assignment in English folder and mathematics assignment in mathematics folder. This means that all the related papers are kept together. You don't mix mathematics homework into the English and English homework into the mathematics, because it will not be what? It won't be assigned properly, right? So you do that work in proper manner. Similarly, to organize the files on your computer system, you can create different folders. We will see practically how to create file folder, etc. Folder is a storage area that stores similar files at one place. So folder can store multiple files. Okay. The files can be programs or documents. Folder can also store another folder that is called as subfolder. See students, if you are storing a folder into the folder, then the inner folder is called as subfolder and outer folder is called as main folder. So folders are the best way to organize and store your files. Folders are the best way to organize files and folders, right? Now these are the icons for files and folders. See the icon of files. This is the Word file icon and this is the Paint file icon. And this is icon for folder and the name of folder is My Stuff. Can you read this content or do I need to zoom in? Okay, My Stuff, it is written here, right? So let me show you what is a folder. How does it look like? Let me show you how to create the folder. That also I will show you. See, first of all you need to do is right click. See the menu appears. Right click means you have to click the right button of mouse. Okay, and then menu appears. In this menu, see, you can see here new button is there. Click this new button and select the option new folder. Okay, new and new folder, here only the first option is there, folder, new folder, right? So new folder, the folder has been created. Now see, this is the new folder. You can give any name to this folder. Let me give the name fourth class, right? You can see the name, it has been given, it is fourth class. Okay, this is a folder. Now what are files? See, these are the files. This is the Word file, correct? This is the Word file. Okay, and right, I'll show you how to create another file. See, you can create files by using these menu. Microsoft Office Word, you can create Word file by using this. Microsoft Office Publisher document, you can create another type of file, that is publisher file. PowerPoint, right, PPT, that you will come to know in 5th standard. Text document, notepad, right? Okay, so you can create different files. You can create access file, bitmap image, different files can be created. Fine. So Paint can be created in which way? You need to click on what? You need to click on start button. Here it is. Okay, here it is, start button. Click on it and then go to Paint. The option is here only, Paint, and click that Paint. The file will be created. Now this is the file, this is the Paint file, right? So that's it for today's session. In case of any queries, any difficulties, any doubts, you are free to ask me. Fine. So we will stop here. Thank you very much.